3 dramatic lighting setups in 5 minutes. Let's get to it. What's up, everyone? I'm Sal Sankata, and today I've got to talk fast. Frankly, I can't even see the camera. This light is so bright. We're gonna do 3 dramatic lighting setups. We've got Violet with us here. We are gonna move quickly, and we're gonna just show you how to create some dramatic portraits. I'm gonna tell you what I've got, and I'm gonna show you the results. Let's start with number 1. All right, so for the first light setup, we have got the nanlite FC300B. That's their bicolor unit, and we've got a Fresnel lens on there. And I've got it zoomed all the way in. So we've got a really nice tight circle. You're gonna see it in the final images, and I just love this fall off. Of course, we're gonna guide our client to look towards that light, not look away. We wanna make sure that the brightest part, I've seen mistakes made with this, is hitting her in her face and on her head. A lot of times if you have that aimed the wrong direction, it'll hit her in the chest, hit her in the legs. There should be a hard fall off. This is not meant to be evenly lit throughout. You'll see what I mean in a second. So let's get the first one going. Gorgeous, Violet. This just gives it that old Hollywood look. It's absolutely killer. You can really have some fun with composition here, right? Because of the shape of what she's wearing. Look up at that light, Violet. It's very ethereal. Love that, Violet. Keep working it. I can pull back here, go into full body. It's not quite a spotlight. Right, there's gonna be shadow detail there. Love that, Violet. Gorgeous, looking up to that light. Perfect. You can come in here and get a nice kind of mid shot. Really focus on her eyes. Close those eyes again. Killer. Even horizontally, this looks absolutely stunning. Yep, right there, beautiful, Violet. Perfect, all right, so that's lighting setup number 1. Let's move to number 2. All right, so for the second lighting setup, we have got a nanlite softbox parabolic 90 with the FS300C, which is full color. Doesn't matter, you can use the full color or bicolor because we're just shooting here at about 5,000 or 5,500 Kelvin. I can't remember what I have the light set to. I think it's 5,000. The key here is with this light overhead, it's not that flat, straight on lighting. Now you really do have to be careful. So if Violet's looking straight at camera, we are gonna create some really bad shadows in her eye sockets. That's on you as the photographer making that mistake. So we want her up looking in that direction, right? So we've got to work with the light source and where it is. You've got to communicate that with your client on what you're looking for. So, all right, chin hard left for me, Violet. So let's get some of these. Beautiful light fall off. Stunning, Violet, love that. So now for full body, gorgeous. Can you give me your eyes? Stunning. Okay, now I'm gonna come in here, get this mid shot. Love that, Violet, great job. All right, let's go to number 3. All right, so for the third one, we are using the nanlite projector. I love this bad boy. The PJBM comes in its own case. Let's get this set up. This is gonna give us a final look here. So many things you can do. Basically, right, it's a gobo, it's a projector. We are gonna be able to shine patterns. In this particular case, I'm just gonna shine a circle to create, I think, a good look. We're also using the FC300B again. What we're gonna do is we'll put this right back here, and I'm gonna fire just pretty much straight here. So you'll see as we open up the blades, we're gonna have this nice circle that we're gonna use, but it gives us a very dramatic look. You've got a focus ring here on the bottom that just allows you to either soften that, right? Or I think we want a crispy edge right here. Yeah, crispy for sure. Again, just another way to do some cool stuff with your portraits. So now I'm going to move this to full circle. I like her off center in it as well. So now let's get it here. Really cool, love this, Violet. Okay. Perfect. Get this horizontal as well. All right, so what we did here is we just built off this. That's all we did. So now I'm throwing some color back there with the FS300C, which is full color. We have full RGB control. So we're kind of trying to match colors. Her dress is green, so we've got purple, and Violet requested it because, well, her name's Violet and she wanted it purple. So yeah, I just want you to be happy. All right, so let's shoot through this. This is another way to quickly add drama to your portraits. and get a very unique look. How cool is this? Awesome, awesome. Here we go. Love that violet. Let me get some vertical. All right, guys, that's it. That is a wrap. Hopefully, this has given you some ideas for inspiration. Kudos to Violet. She did a great job. I don't think she can see anymore. I'm right here. I'm in the dark. That's all right. As long as you can hear my voice, that's all that matters. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.